In today's short analysis video, we will discuss on CSX Corporation stock. My dear friends, this stock is currently on a verge of breakout from an important support level, and if that level get break, along with that there are multiple positive factors which has already been materialized, and it would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock. We can initiate a buy position as soon as this breakout get sustained close above the neckline, and once it's get break, there will be a massive upside rally and we can take an opportunity to buy this stock. We have to keep this stock under the watch list and we have to closely monitor. If the neckline get trigger, it will going to it will going to blast like in spring. It, how the bullet get fire from the gun, it will get this kind of momentum the time when the neckline will get trigger. But my dear friends, don't do any blind trading. You have to wait for a confirmation to break above the neckline, and where the neckline is located, everything we will discuss in this video. Now let's go to the chart. Dear friends, if we'll make a closer look, the stock has given the time-wise correction. There was a no price-wise correction, and under the time-wise correction, the stock had given a sideway consolidation. And as soon as the stock was under this sideway consolidation, there was a price-wise correction only under to this area. And the stock got triggered with lower lows, first lower lows here and the second lower lows here. But as soon as this after hitting the two lower lows, as soon as this downward parallel channel got triggered on the upper side, first time its lower lows sequence shifted to higher highs, and this is an area where we got a first confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's trying to break on the upside range. The moment this neckline will get trigger, it will create a upside momentum. And along with that, my dear friends, if you'll see, you will be able to see there is a positive chart pattern breakout. If you'll see here, you'll be able to, this we call it as an triangular chart pattern, ascending triangular chart pattern. But my dear friends, we have to wait for a close above $38. Until now, the stock haven't gave the close above this neckline. This is an area where I am talking about to wait for a confirmation. Once this stock give the close, sustained close above this neckline, once we get a sustained close above this neckline of $38, then this ascending triangular chart pattern will get trigger. It will get active, and after that there will be a high probability that stock will give the upside momentum with a first target of $41, with that will marked in green color, and the second target, this first target will be of $40 and the second target will be $42. This will be a two major upside, and the stop loss should be below this lower swing that will marked in red color. But my dear friends, until yet the stock haven't gave any breakout yet, so you have to wait for an close. We have to wait for an confirmation. Don't do any blind trade or don't do any immature trade. We have to wait for an confirmation for the neckline to get trigger with high volume green candle. Once the neckline will get trigger on closing basis, then this ascending triangular chart pattern will get trigger, and after that there is a sky is the only limit, my dear friends. And once this neckline will get trigger, this area will act as a strong support. So far this is an resistance, but once it will get trigger on closing basis, it will act as a strong support, because multiple positive factors got trigger here. This was an area where we have seen the sideway consolidation got broken out over to this area, and this is an area where we have seen the lower lows shifted to higher highs, and this is an area where we have witnessed the ascending triangular chart pattern build up. All we have to wait for a neckline to get trigger, and once the neckline will get trigger, this area will act as a strong support after the breakout, and your stop loss should be below this strong support so that it won't get triggered so easily. This is it for today's analysis, my dear friends. If you really love my analysis, my hard work, then support me by following my YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel, and like my videos. Thanks. Bye bye.